Hey everyone, so today I will be showing you how I make my warm vanilla body scrub. This body scrub is vanilla sugar scented and is currently one of the best selling scrubs on my site. As you can see, I'm just at the store right now grabbing some bowls and some sugar, and after that I will be heading straight home to show you how to make a whipped foaming body scrub step by step. So for this body scrub, I will be using 2 bowls, sugar, shea butter, and this is cocoa butyl propylbutane and sodium cocoa isothianate or SCI, and we have distilled water and vegetable glycerin. So first I will start by adding the SCI to the bowl. The SCI really helps with the foaming and cleansing part. And this is a natural ingredient that derived from coconut and is found in many baby products. However, you still want to be careful because this can cause eye and lung irritation. So you might want to wear a mask or a respirator when you're working with this. And now I'm adding the cocoa butyl propylbutane. This is also another product that derived from coconuts and it's found in many body washes and shampoos. And this basically just helps with lathering and cleansing the skin. So right now I'm adding the distilled water and the glycerin, and I should probably have exact measurements, but I don't. So as of right now, I kind of just eyeball everything, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix all of these ingredients together. And when mixing these ingredients, you just want to start out really slow because you don't want the CSI flying everywhere. So after mixing these ingredients together for like a minute or two, you should have this really slime filling texture. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more. I didn't realize how small this was because I'm gonna be making a lot more products. So after mixing all of the ingredients again, this is the texture that I am left with. It almost feels like a fluffy slime, but this is the perfect texture that we are looking for. So now we're gonna move on to the second bowl. I have some shea butter, emulsifying wax, and I also added stearic acid. And I'm gonna put this in a hot water bath and let it melt for about 20 to 30 minutes until everything dissolves. I also have the first bowl on a hot water bath, and even though it doesn't look like there's much going on, you can see that the texture has completely changed and it doesn't feel like a slime anymore. And this is what it looks like after it cools off. The consistency is almost similar to when you melt a shea butter and then you let it harden again. So right now I'm just adding the melted ingredients from the other bowl to here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a good mix. And now I'm just going in with my hand mixer just to make sure that everything is mixed together very well. And you can see the texture now looks exactly like a whipped shea butter. Now it's time to add the oil. You can use any kind of oil or oils that you like. I personally like to use vitamin E oils, but I know a lot of people like to use sweet almond or coconut oil, but I just don't use them anymore because I know some people are allergic to those. Also, when making any products that contains water, it's really important to use a preservative. I'm using an Optifin, but you can use any kind of preservatives that would work well with these kind of products. Now I'm just adding the sugar, and I'm using a lot of sugar because I don't want this product to feel too soft. I want it to feel gentle on the skin, but I still want it to feel exfoliating. So now I'm just adding my scent oil. For this body scrub, I am using the warm vanilla sugar. I will be mixing for about 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure that everything is mixed together very well. I'm very happy with this consistency, so I can just go ahead and put it into the jar. And this part is completely optional, but this is just what I like to do. So I have my wrapping paper on the table, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the body scrub on the paper, and then I'm gonna fold the ends, and then I'll put it into a piping bag. And I should have probably spread out the body scrub more throughout the paper because right now I'm just kind of struggling, but that's okay because we're still gonna make this work. And now it's time to fill in the jars, and these jars are pretty small. They're about 4 ounces, but I also do have 8-ounce jars available on my website in case some of you guys did not know. And this is how the body scrub looks, and I'm just tapping it down because I think it makes the swirly thingy on the top look more defined, and I just love how it looks. It looks just like a vanilla ice cream. Also, this is an updated formula. My other formula contains cocoa butter, mango butter, and it also contains different types of oils. And I just kind of wanted to change things up a little bit. And now I'm all finished, and this is how it looks. It literally looks and smells like a vanilla ice cream, and there's also a body butter that goes with this. It's called warm vanilla, and I'm probably gonna make them into a bundle soon. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and you can also check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, or visit my website bintibeauty.com. And I will see you in the next video.